Once you define your needs as a content creator, choose gear that makes it easy to record or live stream your creative vision. A dedicated camera can give you more creative control over exposure, focus and subject tracking than you might get with your smartphone. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best cameras for YouTube of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Sony ZV1 Digital Camera. The biggest difference between the Sony ZV1 and the new ZV1F is that this camera has a 24 to 70mm f/1.8-2.8 Zeiss lens, perfect for use as a walkabout point-and-shoot still camera or for use as a vlogging camera. Instead of a higher-end camera with lots of interchangeable lenses and attachable accessories, many vloggers want a lightweight, portable and easy-to-use camera that produces high-quality footage. The Sony ZV1 digital camera fits that bill well, with face exposure, Sony's product showcase and background blur features, plus a 2.7x optical zoom. As with Sony's other vlogging cameras, the display can point forward or backward, making it easy to frame your shots. The camera has a built-in microphone, or you can connect an external mic to the 3.5mm jack. Besides capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second and 20.1 megapixel still images, the ZV1 camera can serve as a high-end webcam for live streaming. While this camera offers just about everything a vlogger could want, including a hot shoe, not found on the ZV1F, it's not waterproof or designed to be used as an action camera. This model works well one-handed with Sony's optional Bluetooth shooting grip. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X. There are many reasons to love the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III as a vlogging camera, starting with the fact that just about everything you need to shoot smooth and clear video content is built into its compact, handheld body. The camera uses a 20.1 megapixel, 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 8 image processor. You also get a 4.2x optical zoom from the built-in 24 to 100mm f/1.8-2.8 lens with optical image stabilizer. The 3-inch touchscreen rotates and tilts 180 degrees, so it can face forward and serve as a viewfinder while capturing yourself in your footage. It's easy to connect an external microphone, thanks to the 3.5mm microphone jack, so high-quality audio can be combined with your content, but there's no hot shoe to mount an external microphone. And with the facial recognition feature, you or your main subject will stay in focus, even if you choose to hold the camera vertically. With more than a dozen shooting modes, like background defocus and soft focus, it is easy to capture professional-looking footage in a wide range of situations. For connectivity, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C. It uses SDXC memory cards. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera has a compact body that works with Canon's mirrorless RFS lenses. The R50 captures 24.2 megapixel still images and 4K 30 frames per second video. This versatile camera has 651 focus points, powered by the Digic X image processor and dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system. Besides offering a vertical movie mode, excellent for capturing content for TikToks, it has a close-up demo mode which is a must-have feature for content creators. The camera is lightweight and slightly smaller than the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, which uses Canon's EFM lens mount. The R50 works in a wide range of lighting conditions and can record up to 1 hour of video at a time. You get added shooting flexibility over competing models thanks to both a 2.34 million dot electronic viewfinder and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD. Canon's advanced A+ Assist feature automatically adjusts the camera settings for you, to help you get the best shot every time. You can buy the R50 with the RFS 15 to 45mm f/4.5-6.3 ISSTM lens, as priced here, or you can buy the body separately for use with your other Canon lenses. An optional adapter lets you use this camera with EF mount lenses, too. The R50 lacks the weather sealing of Canon's pricier EOS R8, though, and it doesn't have image stabilization. Number 4. Nikon Z30 with wide angle. The compact Nikon Z30 relies on an APS-C CMOS sensor to capture still images at 20.9 megapixels or 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. The Z30 is a multi-purpose mirrorless camera that's optimized for vloggers and live streamers. Of note, this model can capture video for up to 2 hours and 11 minutes at a time, significantly longer than many competitors. The camera has a 3-inch, angle-adjustable touchscreen which can face forwards or backwards, as well as at an angle. It can record stereo sound using its internal microphone, and it has a 3.5mm audio port to connect an external microphone, but not a headphone. To reduce wobbles and shaking when holding the camera while filming, the Z30 uses Nikon's digital vibration reduction, referred to as EVR image stabilization. You also get fast autofocus with face and eye tracking that recognizes people, dogs, and cats, and 209 autofocus points. For those new to photography, the convenient button offers simple explanations of all camera settings. The camera is available body only if you already have Nikon DX lenses. Camera body offers enough weather sealing to protect it from light exposure to water and dust. Number 5. Sony Alpha ZV E10. The Sony Alpha ZV E10 is a full-featured, lightweight camera perfect for pro vloggers. The ZV E10 has several advanced video conveniences, like instantly blurring a background while focusing in on a subject, automatically adjusting exposure for your face and product showcase, all features also found on the ZV1F. This compact mirrorless camera stands out from its less pricey sibling, though, by virtue of its interchangeable lenses and large APS-C image sensor. The camera has a built-in 3-capsule microphone and it includes an attachable windscreen to record clear audio and video. It shoots 4K video at 24 frames per second, as well as still images at 24.2 megapixels, both with automatic image stabilization. You can also use the ZV E10 for live streaming by connecting the camera to a computer or mobile device. It can go for up to 80 minutes of continuous shooting per battery charge. What the editors say: "I love the large button on top for initiating recording, and the dedicated button for switch among still image capture and recording modes," says a tech editor. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.